Hi everyone, I'm Emmy from Sandochka. This product is a collaboration with the brand. They sent it to me so I could try it and share my honest opinion. So thank you for that. I got this set of 8 embossing folders and I really like the classic patterns. Each one has a different design and they feel very strong and well made. You can use them with your embossing machine or cutting machine. Just place your cardstock inside the folder and that's it. What I noticed, the size is standard 5.9 by 4.1 inches. That means it fits most machines and most card projects. The plastic is thick and does not feel flimsy. It holds its shape well. The designs are crisp and clean even without using it. You can tell the details will press nicely into the paper. They're reusable and easy to store. I just keep them stacked in a drawer with my craft tools. I think these are great if you enjoy card making, scrapbooking, or just creating handmade decorations. If you like sending handmade cards for birthdays or holidays, these add a really nice touch. They also work with different types of paper, so you can try metallic sheets or textured cardstock. I'm planning to use them for some invitation cards soon. This is a nice little set to have in your craft stash. Thanks again to the brand for sending this over. See you in the next one.